So Scott, are we ever going to catch a break and get some warm weather?
Actually, as a matter of fact, later this week it will start warming up, but let's go ahead and start off by looking at today's temperatures across the state of Kansas. Over in Goodland, we had a high today of 39, down in Garden City a high of 44. A little closer to home, we were right at that freezing mark in Topeka, 31, Kansas City a high of 29. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at our national satellite. You can see a lot of cloud cover across a lot of the country. You can see that big system that's actually be affecting Vancouver at the Olympics in the Pacific Northwest as it moves through Canada, and then the cloud cover through Nebraska, Iowa, and Kansas. That's that flurries that we got earlier today, and you can see all that moisture, all that green area right over Kansas. And that's what all those flurries were bringing about overnight and this morning. But those have since dissipated, and those will move out of the system this afternoon. Those left, and we shouldn't see any more of those until later this week. We'll go and take a quick look at our local satellite. Here in Kansas, again, there you can see a lot of cloud cover, mostly over the eastern portion of the state because that's where the flurries were at. The western portion, very cold, but they didn't get the snow like what we did here a little closer to home. Take a quick look at our radar, and you can actually see those flurries as they've left the area. They've now kind of moved towards the southeast of the Kansas City area and of the Lawrence and Topeka area. And so, like I said, those are out of our areas at this point in time, so we don't have to worry about any flurries until later in the week. Go and look at today's weather. There's that low pressure system. That's what brought those flurries overnight and this morning. As we go into tomorrow, that will continue moving out of our area. You can see that cold front as it's gone down towards Florida. They're actually going to see a little colder temperatures as that cold front moves in. But fortunately for us, that allows us to now start warming up into tomorrow. Going into tomorrow evening, you can see as that pressure system moves a little closer to us and then moves off to the south into Texas, and that's what's going to cause us to warm up tomorrow. We're actually going to have a high tomorrow right around 36, 37 degrees. So definitely a lot warmer than what it was today. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. As you can see there in Goodland, tomorrow's high is going to be at 43. In Topeka, a high of 38. Just like what I said, and as you can see, overnight, it'll be cloudy, a high of 14 degrees, and a little breezy, and then into tomorrow, it'll be partly cloudy, a lot warmer at 38, and then tomorrow evening, don't forget we have the game, the game tonight, and then into tomorrow, we have partly cloudy, high of 37, and then tomorrow evening a low of 12. Still very breezy from the northwest. So be aware of that wind chill, but other than that, should be very nice. A little chilly, but very nice.